Hello, this is Shane Hartigan here from IMS. I just wanted to demonstrate today our new Zoom robot. So the physical unit is a device that sits on top of a tripod. So this device basically screws on here and you just fit a standard iPad into a slot at the top here. You then connect a lightning connector directly to the robot and you run an app on the iPad. Now it doesn't just take iPads, it'll also take an iPhone, for example, and it will take an Android phone and a tablet. Now there's a little transmitter here or receiver which is on the front of the robot. And then you notice here around my neck, I have a little lanyard transmitter. And at the top of that, it is transmitting an infrared signal. And it's also picking up the audio. So at the top, I have a little audio receiver here. So if I blow into the mic, you'll hear the audio being picked up, and that is being transmitting from here over to that receiver. So this is the setup. It's literally a couple of minutes to set up. And once you have joined the Zoom call, you are able then to stand in front of the device and it will track you. So what I'm going to do now is move around with the device. And as I move around the room, it's going to continue to keep me in the middle of the frame. So this is really neat. It means that I've got full flexibility. And of course that audio is still being picked up here by the receiver. And I'm also able to show the classroom what we're looking at in front of me. We can come over here and look at, for example, a whiteboard. And on the whiteboard, I can actually demonstrate, you know, if I need to write something up for the class or do anything on the whiteboard, it's all possible here. The next step then is that, you know, I'm going to share out a slide which from my laptop, and this is now going to be shared, and you should be able to see the slide up on the screen. And this means that both the remote audience plus the local audience here will be able to see that slide. Even though I'm standing up at the board, you won't be able to see that through the camera because it's too far away. However, the audience will be able to see that because it's shared back into the meeting. So I'm just going to stop the share and we can literally advance those slides like that. Huge benefit here is that it leverages the existing equipment that you already have in your company or in your school or in your organization, which lowers the cost because ultimately you don't have to, there's no iPad, no computer included. You bring your own version of that. And there's also a case which it comes in, and this case is super tidy. It literally, you just carry that from with you to the classroom, unzip it, and you'll be able to unpack the device from here, pop it onto the tripod, and you are up and running in a couple of minutes. So that's the robot for Zoom. Super excited about it. Reach out to us in iMedia if you would like to know more.